Renewing Microsoft in 2025? Ready for sticker shock? We're talking double-digit price hikes across the board. Power BI Pro up 40%, Teams Phone up 25%, on-prem servers 10% more, and if you want monthly billing, Microsoft slaps you with a 5% premium. Flexibility now costs extra. And here's the kicker. Starting late 2025, those automatic enterprise volume discounts? Gone. Big customers that used to get 15-20% off? Not anymore. CFOs are seeing renewal proposals 30% higher than the last cycle. 30%. So what do? First, never accept the first quote. Push back hard. Second, escalate. Bring your CIO or CFO to the table. Microsoft suddenly finds discounts when leadership's involved. Third, explore alternatives. CSP partners, different licensing channels, even Google Workspace whispers. Just showing you've got options makes Microsoft nervous. Bottom line, Microsoft's costs are going up. But if you negotiate smart, you can turn a 30% hike into 10% or less. Follow me for more insider tips on keeping Microsoft and every vendor honest